The Phillies opened the 2024 season with all the pomp and circumstance a baseball opening day deserves. However, it didn't turn out the way the Phillies wanted it to. They blew a 2-0 lead and lost to the Atlanta Braves 9-3. There were plenty of memorable moments, however, from the pregame ceremonies. Former Phillies manager Charlie Manuel, who is recovering from a stroke suffered last fall, drew roars from the crowd when he emerged from the Phillies dugout to throw out the ceremonial first pitch. Here is the first pitch of the Phillies' 2024 season.